In today's video, I will teach you how to add realistic reflections to water or glass with AI. Let's get started. Reflections can dramatically enhance a photo, adding depth and realism. Whether it's a calm lake, a puddle, or a glass surface, AI tools can create lifelike reflections that look natural and artistic. And using ChatGPT's AI image generator, you can transform ordinary images into visually striking compositions even if you have no photo editing experience. So start by going to ChatGPT on your browser, then log into your account. In the ChatGPT interface, click the plus icon, then select Create Image, and you'll now be in the image mode, ready to upload your photo. To upload your photo, click the plus icon again, then choose Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl-U on your keyboard. Now select the image that you want to edit from your computer. Choose photos where the subject is clear and the water or glass surface is visible for best results. In the prompt box, type exactly what you want the AI to do, and make sure to be very specific. Here are some good prompt examples. Here, you can include details about time of day, lighting, and realism. Once your prompt is ready, press Enter, and the AI will generate a new image with a reflection applied. This may take a few seconds to a minute, depending on the complexity. Once the image is generated, click on the generated image to make tweaks. Then describe any adjustments in the text box and experiment with small changes to achieve a more realistic effect. Now hover over the final image, then click Download to save it. And you can also share the image directly to your social media. And take note that the free ChatGPT plan allows up to 5 image generations per day, so you can upgrade if you need more. And here are some pro tips for best results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.